everyone, it's me, Miss Lily, and before we start the lesson today, we will sing some songs. And the first one is a finger play, and it is Here is the beehive. Ready? Okay, here is a beehive. But where are all the bees? They are hidden inside, where nobody sees. Shh! The bees are coming out the hive. The bees are coming out the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you like it? Oh, I bet you do. Okay, and we come to the second song, and this song is, what song is it? It is rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. Okay, are you ready? Okay, shake a little bit. Okay, rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Right hand, paper. Left hand, paper. What do we have? We have a butterfly. Good job. The butterfly is flying to the right. It's flying to the left. The butterfly is flying up. It's going down. We have a butterfly. Okay, ready? Now we could go faster. Okay, ready? Okay. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Right hand, paper. Left hand, rock. What do we have now? It's a mushroom. It's a mushroom. Let's roll a mushroom on our head. Let's roll the mushroom on our shoulder. Okay, are you ready to go faster? Okay. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Right hand, scissors. Left hand, rock. What do we have now? It's a snail. The snail is rolling on the ground. The snail is going on my leg. It's going on my shoulder. It's a snail. Okay, good job everyone.